Most verbs show actions of subjects.
But the verb to be does not show any action.
It expresses the state of being. The verb to be has different forms. Examples:
The children are in school.
The state of being in the certain place.
Christmas is in winter.
The state of being in certain time.
Maria is beautiful.
The state of being with the specific quality.
Brian is a doctor.
The state of being as the identified subject.
Action verbs show actions.
The verb to be does not show any action. It expresses a state of being.
Action verbs show what the subject does.
The verb to be shows what the subject is.
Action verbs are also called doing verbs. This name comes from the verb to do.
All forms of the verb to be are called being verbs. Example:
Brian runs. Brian is the subject. Runs shows the action. This verb shows what the subject does. It is a doing verb. This verb is also called an action verb.
Brian is fast. Brian is the subject. Fast means the quality. The verb is expresses the state of being with the specific quality. This verb shows what the subject is. It is a being verb. The verb to be has the forms am, is, are. The form of the verb to be depends on the person and the number of the subject.
First person. singular.
I am. I am angry. I am.
Second person, singular.
You are. You are in the car. You are.
Third person, singular.
He is. She is. It is. Tom is old. He is old. Anna is on the beach. She is on the beach.
The apple is green. It is green.
He is. She is. It is.
Plural. All persons.
We are. You are. They are.
We are in the forest. You are policeman. Lemons are yellow. They are yellow.
We are. You are. They are. You eat bananas. Eat.
Doing verb, or being verb. The verb shows the action.
Doing verb. Maria is sad. Is.
Doing verb, or being verb.
The verb is expresses the state of being with the quality.
Being verb.
We are sportsmen. Are.
Doing verb, or being verb.
The verb are expresses the state of being as the identified subject.
Being verb. I am in the kitchen. Am. Doing verb, or being verb.
The verb am expresses the state of being in the certain place.
Being verb.
Choose the correct form of the verb to be.
Am.
Is.
Are.
I.
First person. Singular.
I am.
I am first.
We.
Plural.
We are.
We are superheroes.
You.
Second person.
You are. You are happy. She.
Third person. Singular.
She is.
She is sad.
It.
Third person. Singular.
It is. It is blue.
The dress is blue.
They.
Plural.
They are. They are purple.
Eggplants are purple. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.